Morning guys, so, paper one, I imagine we're all feeling a little bit nervous out there, so that is perfectly natural. My brother sent me a nice quote last night. Fear is healthy, panic is deadly. So it's perfectly natural to be nervous about these exams. It just shows that you respect what you are about to do. Try your best not to panic. Remember that these exams do not define your life or you. So, take your happy place into the exam with you. If you're starting to feel it's not going your way, close your eyes, go to your happy place, count 5, open your eyes, get back to the mission. Think about everything that you have achieved in your life so far, all of the problems you have faced, all of those problems that you've overcome. Put it in perspective, what's a silly little maths exam? So, absolute best of luck to you guys. I'll be thinking of you. Hope to see you back here afterwards for the reactions video. Give it your absolute best, smash the shit out of it, try not to panic too much. Take care guys, take it easy, good luck.